Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Level Up Your English.
Hey everyone!
Today, we're going to talk about something very important.
English for real emergency situations.
Imagine this. You're in another country, and something suddenly goes wrong.
You feel sick, something hurts, or you need help, fast.
But you don't know how to say it in English.
And that can be very stressful.
So, in this video, you're going to learn simple English phrases that you can use in real emergencies.
Short, clear, and easy to remember. So you can communicate quickly when you need it most.
Let's start with a very common situation. You don't feel well.
You can say, I feel sick.
I feel sick. Very simple, but very important.
People will understand you immediately.
Now, imagine something more urgent. You need help.
You can say, I need help.
I need help. Clear.
Direct.
Now, something even more serious.
You can say, I need a doctor.
I need a doctor. These phrases may seem simple, but in real life, they can make a huge difference.
And this is just the beginning.
So stay with us, and let's continue.
Let's continue with a very common situation. You feel pain.
You can say, it hurts.
It hurts.
If you want to be more specific, you can say, my head hurts.
My head hurts.
Or, my stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts. Very simple, but very useful.
Now, imagine something more serious. You can't breathe well.
You can say, I can't breathe.
I can't breathe.
This is very urgent. People will react immediately. Now let's look at another situation. You feel dizzy.
You can say, I feel dizzy.
I feel dizzy.
This means you feel weak or like you might fall.
Now imagine an allergy. Something you ate is causing a reaction.
You can say, I'm allergic.
I'm allergic.
Or more specifically, I'm allergic to peanuts.
I'm allergic to peanuts. Very important in restaurants and in emergency situations.
Now, one more important phrase. If something is very wrong,
You can say, I need an ambulance.
I need an ambulance.
This is very serious. Use it only when necessary. All of these phrases are simple.
But in real life,
They can help you communicate quickly.
and when something is wrong,
That's exactly what you need.
now let's review the most important phrases and repeat them.
I feel sick.
I need help.
I need a doctor.
I can't breathe.
It hurts.
I feel dizzy.
I'm allergic.
I need an ambulance. These phrases are simple, but they are extremely important.
In an emergency, you don't need perfect English.
You need clear English.
English that people understand immediately.
So try to remember these phrases and practice them out loud.
Because in real life, you may need them one day.
And being prepared can make a big difference.
If you found this video useful,
Make sure to subscribe and keep improving your English with us.
See you in the next video.
See you soon.